Hi, this is Paul Adams of ADAMSMADE. Welcome back to the channel. It's another client piece. We've got a lovely, beautiful little Ercol coffee table here, and it's in great shape. It's already perfect. It's just the top is worn, all the varnish is cracked and damaged on the top. Just years of good use. So it just needs resurfacing. So all I'm doing is just scraping off the layers of varnish. It's always easier to scrape first. Use these carbide scrapers before you start sanding. And then just bring down lots of sanding, coarse, the rules from coarse and gradually smoother and smoother sandpaper. All you're doing is taking out the marks for the last sanding, basically. And when it's glassy smooth, then you can start varnishing. So that's a simple project for that. It's just a case of really just trying to get this message out. This furniture, there's lots of great furniture out there, and if you don't like it, sometimes it's dated, then paint it, bring it up to date. Sometimes it just needs a little bit of sanding down and revarnishing, a bit of restoring. So usually not that difficult to do. So this is a perfect example of a beautiful table. I've looked at these Ercol tables. As I say, this was a client piece I did for someone locally, but I looked these up and you can buy these. They're between £500 and £600. These Ercol little tables. They're beautifully made, but obviously quite expensive. So if you do see one, if you do get one cheap, or if you've got one, hang on to it, please. And as I say, if it needs resurfacing, revarnishing, then do that. And you've got a much nicer piece of furniture than a lot of these new things. So trying to get the message out, before you buy something new, have a look around, see if there's something old that will do. And if it looks dated, you can bring it up to date. That's kind of the message, And if there's nothing else and you've got to buy new, then buy new. But just trying to get the message out to, is there another choice first? Can I make this better? Can I find something that's suitable second hand? Let's just do a bit to, save the planet. Anyway, so I'm putting this through this. It's just straightforward. As I say, I've scraped it, sanded it, got the preparation, and then I'm using a water-based varnish on this one again. Again, trying to use low VOC, substances friendly. So it's a layer after layer, light sand in between, denibbling as we go. I think this one here, yes, it had 5 coats eventually, 5 coats of varnish over this to try and bring it back to what it was, and it's come up really well. You end up with, I think, 'cause obviously it's a clear varnish, very slightly lighter than it was, because obviously these things, they darken over time, but it's come up absolutely beautiful. You'll see the end. It looks great. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
In the shadows, I lost my way, but there's a light that calls my name. Through the darkness, I'm reaching out, fighting back against the doubt. I've stumbled hard, I felt the pain, but after every fall I rise again.